Okay, manibulisa kwabantu bonke ababukeleyo. Igama lami Bonga Biyana, ngihlala eBraylin, East London, in Tukelo Street. This is Tukelo Foods. The what I can tell you about Tukelo Foods is that it's a business that is inspired by fast food that I see around the media. It is a bit of it inspired by a parent because my mother was also doing some businesses. So I was inspired about the fact that she was opening chisanyama and stuff. So I wanted to do a thing of my own. So I opened Tukelo Foods. I started the business in the beginning of January, I think around the 5th or the 4th of January 2026. That's when I started it. When I was studying, I was not sure about it, but then I told myself that I should just keep on doing it. It is deep push. Okay. The purpose of opening this business is that inqabile business enjena in, I would say, here, because some of the food that I sell is new food in the industry of fast foods. Umzekelo, the Kota wraps, they are just the upcoming famous ones that are coming out. So I was inspired by the idea. Then I told myself, Mama, I'm going to food there and then open it and put it on the name. My inspiration is some of the businesses that sell it, because most of the time when I go TikTok videos, I see people from Johannesburg, people from Tanzania selling these type of foods. So I was inspired by the fact that there are people who are pushing it and it's working for them and it's a good business idea. My goals are to have a big influence around my community and inspire others to also go on what they want and abafuni pusha and whatever they feel like it's a good idea for bona. Okay, one of my challenges, I would say that it's because sometimes you understand that abantu abafuna some specific orders at specific times, and then at the same time we order at that same time, and then it's different foods most. So I have to rush, but then at the same time I'm looking at this. So I would say that's one of my challenges so far. And I would say personally, for me, it's time management. I haven't mastered the art of time management, but I'm working on that. In the next 5 years, I expect Tukelo Foods to be a big company that has branches all over the places that are here, like in the Ekasi, somewhere like Etauni, and some other provinces, somewhere there. That's what I expect. Yeah, that's what this goes. I want to push it, even like on the map. It be seen the more knowing abantu from umzekelo like Johannesburg to Cape Town. So that's far. Okay, you can access me on Facebook. The Facebook name is Tukelo Foods. You can find me on TikTok, also Tukelo Foods on TikTok, and that's where you can find me. And also my WhatsApp. My number is 070 782 1218 for orders and for questions or inquiries. Okay, the number is 070 782 1218. That's for orders and inquiries.